Hey! Heart here, and for today's mini vlog, join me as I go to my first ever bungee workout class here at Stark Fitness, Makati. So that's me saying hi, pakit lang while showing you this nice workout top that I got here from TikTok shop. And of course, here are my friends and cousins na kasama ko in this class. So actually, ang saya kasi this class is for 5 people and sakto naman na 5 kami kaya parang solo namin yung session. And super fun kasi tawa lang kami ng tawa, walang hiyaan, no judgments. And here I'm showing you some of the routines that we're doing. And sa totoo lang, di man talaga siya ganun kahirap, maarte lang talaga ako. Pero being on the chubbier side, doing such activities and even going to the gym is really something that makes me anxious. Kasi feeling ko ang hirap or hindi ko kaya or sobrang nakakapagod. And I remember dati, nung tinry ko mag-gym, ang daming beses na sumusuka talaga ako sa pagod. Kasi ang base ng heartbeat ko, di ako mahinga. And sabi ng coach ko, ayun, hindi nga raw ako marunong huminga ng tama. And that's something I want to overcome din. Anyway, going back to this video, ayan, kita mo naman, ang ate ko, tinutulungan pa akong tumayo kasi hindi ko mabuhat yung sarili ko. And at this point, lipad-lipad na lang kami, diba? Ang saya kasi na-overcome ko yung fear of trying this class and talagang nag-enjoy ako while sweating it out. So, if you guys want to try this bungee workout also, I highly recommend downloading the ClassPass app. So, meron siyang 2 weeks free trial sa iba-ibang classes around Metro Manila. As in, ang dami. Like dance, yoga, pilates, gym, spin class, and more. So, sulit talaga siya. Especially if you're trying to figure out which exercise would fit your lifestyle. So, by the way, this is not sponsored, okay? And ayan, thank you din pala kay coach na very helpful. So, kita niyo naman, tinuturuan niya ako paano lumipad ng pahiga. Pero, point. So, diba? Ayan. That's it for today's mini vlog. So, see you on the next one. Bye!